Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be sharing a plant-based chicken biryani recipe. Yes, you heard me right. It's not regular chicken, but it's vegan chicken, and it's something that I have started to incorporate in my everyday diet in the recent past. The reason being that vegan chicken is quite high in protein. It's about 18 grams for a 100 grams serving. In this particular vegan chicken biryani recipe, I'm going to be using 200 grams of vegan chicken. I use a particular brand called Like Chicken that I buy from Rewe here in Germany. But you could use pretty much any vegan plant-based meat here in this particular recipe, and this tastes so much like a regular chicken biryani. I'm sure you all will love it. So the process is very simple. We begin by marinating our vegan meat with coconut yogurt, some spices, and we're going to let it rest for about 20 minutes. While this is resting, we're also going to be washing our basmati rice and soaking it in water for about 20 minutes. I recommend that you start soaking the rice process when you start sauteing your stuff in the instant pot. This way we can factor in the soaking time and the cooking time really well and prevent the rice from getting mushy. So once you have soaked the basmati rice, we'll get started with sauteing our aromatics like whole spices and onions, along with a lot of fresh mint and cilantro. Trust me, fresh mint and cilantro is like the make or break deal in any biryani. The more pudina and cilantro you add, and you let it bloom, when you saute it, it lends a beautiful flavor to your biryani and truly takes it to another level. So yes, once we've sauteed all the aromatics, we add in the marinated vegan meat and we let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. This process is more to reduce the amount of liquid in the chicken. And when you're using vegan yogurt, especially something like coconut yogurt, you will not be seeing a lot of water being released, unlike the regular dairy yogurt. So it's pretty straightforward and very beginner friendly. Once we've gotten all this in place, we add our soaked rice, which has been drained in a colander, along with coconut milk. I'm using thin coconut milk over here. And then we are going to pressure cook it on high pressure for 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes of pressure cooking is done, I'm going to let it, release pressure for about 10 minutes naturally. And then I'm going to go in and do a graduated quick pressure release. That's about it. Our vegan chicken biryani is done.